Hi, this is Tim White with Wet Sounds. I'm here to talk to you today about the Wet Sounds A-Link. The Wet Sounds A-Link is a wireless send and receive device. Gives you the opportunity to send your audio signal up to 500 meters, which is about 1,500 feet. So you get the opportunity to send your signal to a bunch of people. Let's say you pull into a party cove. You want everybody to join your party. You got the ultimate playlist, grab an A-Link. You can carry a spare in your glove box. Throw that to the next boat. Somebody pulls up, all they need is a 3.5 auxiliary input in their boat. So you have one A-Link, which becomes the send. And these bond together. So you have a button right here that bonds them together. So now they are essentially connected without any worry of interference on a wireless. So if a lot of people in a cove, these are now bonded together. You have an auxiliary input, it's the red one. You have an auxiliary output, it's the black one. So if you are the DJ, what you want to do is you want to send the signal in to the A-Link. So if you have an iPhone, for example, you're going to need to use your dongle. You would have your dongle lightning connector to 3.5. You would take a 3.5Y. You would put that into the red in. Then you put this into send mode. You're now the DJ, so you're wirelessly sending from your phone or your device to the A-Link. This then sends it up to 500 meters to another A-Link or multiple A-Links. Now, on your boat, you would take the other part of the Y, plug it into your auxiliary input in your boat, so you have your system playing. The next person, he would use the black, which is the auxiliary output. His A-Link would be set up to receive. He's receiving your signal, then sending it to his boat. He would take a 3.5 to 3.5, put it into the auxiliary. In his boat, he's now joined your party. So you have one DJ that's sending to multiple A-Links, and everybody in the cove is listening to the same music. The cool thing about SKAA is there's zero to low latency. What latency means is there's a delay in the signal. So normally in wireless, and why we don't use things like Bluetooth in a device that's going to send long distances, is it would start to have the second signal in the third boat, the fourth boat, they would be slightly delayed. So you get an echo effect. With the A-Link, they're all going to be playing at the same time, so you don't get an echo effect with the A-Link. They are battery powered, so it includes a USB charger, so you can keep these charged up in your boat and use them on the trail with your side-by-side. You don't have to worry about getting power because they are battery powered. The lithium-ion battery got hours of playtime, so the party's never going to end. With the Wet Sounds A-Link, you have the opportunity to be the ultimate DJ. Or you can just hang out, let somebody else do the heavy lifting on that playlist, and just join their party. Check us out at wetsounds.com for more information on the A-Link.